Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened a Power BI report and found yourself waiting and waiting for a visual to load, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to identify and optimize those slow measures in Power BI, so your reports will feel lightning fast and much more responsive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just what to do, but also the reasons behind each step, which will make you a more confident and efficient Power BI user. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to figure out where the bottleneck actually is. Power BI offers a fantastic built-in tool for this, the Performance Analyzer. To access it, just head up to the View ribbon and select Performance Analyzer. Once it's open, click Start Recording, and then interact with one of the visuals that's feeling sluggish. The Performance Analyzer will display a breakdown of the different processes happening under the hood. You'll specifically want to look at the DAX query duration for each visual. This tells you how long Power BI is spending on the DAX calculations driving that visual. Why is this important? Well, it's a lot like troubleshooting a slow computer. You don't want to guess, which could be time-consuming and frustrating. You want to know exactly which part needs attention. The Performance Analyzer is your magnifying glass for Power BI performance issues. If you see one or two visuals taking way longer than the others, you've likely found your slow measures. Now that we know which measures are causing trouble, let's talk about optimization techniques. One of the biggest culprits for slow performance in Power BI is using DAX formulas that process every row in a large table, even when it's not needed. This often happens when you use filter inside an iterator, which forces Power BI to check every single row. Imagine assigning a librarian the job of checking the details of every single book in a huge library every time someone asks a specific question. That's a lot of unnecessary work. For example, you might see a measure like this: sales amount equals. Calculate sum sales amount. Filter sales region equals east. This formula works, but it's making Power BI sift through the entire sales table row by row just to find the east region. This becomes a problem as your datasets grow. There's a much more efficient way. You can apply the filter directly in the calculate function like this: sales amount equals. Calculate sum sales amount. Sales region equals east. What's happening here is you're telling Power BI exactly what you want. No need for it to inspect every row individually. It's like giving your librarian a direct order for all books from the East section, rather than making them check each title. This subtle change can make a huge difference, especially with big datasets. It might take a few tries to refactor older measures, and that's totally normal. If you're not sure if a change worked, just flip back to the Performance Analyzer and retest. You should notice queries running noticeably faster once you remove those unnecessary filter wrappers. So now you know how to find slow DAX measures and rework them for speed, resulting in Power BI reports that load smoother and keep your stakeholders happy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with a tricky measure. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Your data journey is just getting started. See you in the next one.